Welcome to Autos Insight. Today, we're uncovering bad driving habits that could be silently damaging your car and putting your safety at risk. Many drivers don't realize that small mistakes can lead to expensive repairs, poor fuel economy, and even dangerous accidents. Are you guilty of any of these? Let's find out. 1. Riding the brakes on downhills. If you constantly press the brake pedal while going downhill, you're generating excessive heat, which can lead to brake fade or even total brake failure. This wears out brake pads and rotors much faster, costing you money on repairs. Fix: instead of keeping your foot on the brake, use engine braking by shifting to a lower gear. This reduces strain on your brakes and keeps them cool. 2. Resting your hand on the gear shifter. In manual transmission cars, many drivers rest their hand on the gear shifter while driving. This adds unnecessary pressure to the transmission components, leading to premature wear of the synchros and gear selector forks. Fix: keep both hands on the steering wheel and shift gears only when needed. 3. Hard acceleration and sudden braking. Aggressive driving habits like flooring the gas pedal and slamming on the brakes might feel fun, but can cause serious damage to your engine, brakes, and tires. It also burns more fuel and increases wear on your car's suspension. Fix: accelerate and brake smoothly to improve fuel economy and extend the life of your vehicle. 4. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Your car's dashboard lights aren't just for decoration. If you ignore a check engine light, battery warning, or oil pressure warning, you could be setting yourself up for costly repairs or a breakdown. Fix: never ignore warning lights, check your owner's manual and get issues fixed as soon as possible. 5. Driving with low tire pressure. Many drivers don't realize that underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency, cause uneven wear, and increase the risk of a blowout. Low tire pressure also affects handling and braking performance, making your car unsafe. Fix: check your tire pressure at least once a month and inflate them to the recommended PSI. 6. Revving a cold engine. Revving your engine immediately after starting it, especially on cold mornings, can cause serious damage. Before the oil circulates, engine components are not properly lubricated, leading to excessive wear. Fix: let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving gently. 7. Running on an empty fuel tank. Running on low fuel isn't just inconvenient, it can damage your fuel pump and lead to fuel injector clogging. The fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool, and if you run too low, it can overheat and fail. Fix: always keep at least a quarter tank of fuel to avoid damaging your fuel system. Final thoughts. These bad driving habits might seem harmless, but over time, they can lead to expensive repairs and serious safety risks. By making small changes in the way you drive, you can save money, extend your car's lifespan, and stay safer on the road. Which of these bad habits are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Autos Insight for more expert car tips and advice. Drive smart, stay safe.